nice to us. Thank you. It's such a huge blessing to be here with you. And I'm going to say it in my car right now. Unwed's been my favorite band since I was literally in 9th to 10th grade, so totally surreal. And it wouldn't be the same without you here, so thank you.